alive, can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Just chill, bro. Just chill.
I stopped fucking with it for a minute because, you know,
They got a dog in their car, bro.
and y'all running. How I...
Hey, get out there, too. I just want to show that dog, man. I just want to show that. Oh. I'm like, what is it? Yeah. What bigger dog is? Oh, he can get through that gate. Go. Take it. No. Stop crying, Nana. Hold up. No. You can't get out right there. No. Lord have mercy. Get your in this motherfucking house. Stop crying, Nana. Hold up. No. You can't get out right there. No. Lord have mercy. Get your ass in this motherfucking house.
I am so.
You good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
I'm sorry, sir. Come here. Get over here and sit down. Don't you ever do that again.
They told me to deliver to the where.
Oh, they did.
I've been struggling on this journey to find a place that fits me. It's like I've been crossing over worlds, but you know this world won't take me. I'm just trying to build a home, but this home's so flaky. I'm building up a legacy. I asked the wizard, can I make a wish, please? I'm asking him, yo, is this my calling? And why do these creepy ghosts keep haunting? Where's the stone? So I put my sword in. If life is Pokemon, that's when I'm all in. Wear my hat on my sleeve with cautious round my neck. Yeah, these diamonds enormous. Join the clubs, just a feeling.